Mr. Speaker, sir, this debate is not just about a report. It is about the everyday struggles of our people, the wasted hours in traffic, the damaged cars, and the frustration of seeing potholes patched today and reopening next week. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fiji Roads Authority Consolidated Report for 2019 to 2021 tells a very clear story that our road network is not keeping up with the needs of our people, and that the authority responsible is struggling to deliver on its mandate. Honourable Speaker, the committee found that that FRA took back many key functions after the termination of MWH in 2016. But instead of improving services, Honourable Speaker, the authority is now overburdened. They are short of engineers, technical officers, and project managers. Honourable Speaker, when there are not enough qualified people to design, monitor, or inspect road works, it is the public who suffer. Honourable Speaker, we see roads built without proper drainage, potholes appearing within months, and bridges taking years to complete. That is not poor management, Honourable Speaker. That is a failure of responsibility to the people who pay for these roads through their taxes.